Welcome guys, let's talk about captions and add caption to our video. Now if we listen the audio of this clip.
Welcome everyone to my video Sky whiteboard animation course.
You can see, you can listen to the audio of this clip, and this clip does not have any caption. Now this is my another course about video scribe. Okay, so we'll be adding caption to this course promo. Okay, so what I'll do is I will click on this caption. Okay, and I will click on add caption and it will create a caption for you. I will change its track to the second track. Okay, after that there's couple of ways to add caption to your track. The first is just write text here. For example, if I listen to this audio here.
Welcome everyone to my video Sky whiteboard animation course.
Okay, welcome everyone to my video scribe complete course. So what I'll do is I can write stuff here like welcome everyone, but it is a long process and it takes much more time. So what I'll recommend you to first listen to all of the audio and then write your caption in another text file and then copy text and paste it here. Now you can also arrange your caption. For example, if you want longer caption, just make it longer, and you can make shorter. I usually make short captions and then add another caption, so it make it not look too much messy. So I will add first caption to this point. So what I'll do is I will go to my text file and then edit my first sentence here. You can see welcome everyone to my video scribe whiteboard animation course. I'll just copy this, Ctrl+C, and then paste it here in caption. Okay, now if we see,
welcome everyone to my video Sky whiteboard animation course.
You can see caption has been added here. Now if I can go to this A, it is written that A, I can find more setting here like style. We can make it bold or italic. Okay, I can change the font to Arial to something else. I'll change it to Calibri, and I can also increase or decrease the font size and font color and stuff like that. We usually leave it at white. Other that I can also change the fill. Now fill is this black background around this white text, so I'll double click here and I will change the fill color to something red, or else I usually leave it as black. Most of the time everyone leave it as black, and I can decrease its opacity. Again, I will decrease the size of my text to, now that's fine. Okay, and I can change the alignment. I can align to right, I can align it to center and left and stuff like that. You can see, welcome everyone to my video scribe whiteboard animation course.
Welcome everyone to my video Sky whiteboard animation course.
Like this. Now if you want to add another caption, what you'll do is you'll just click on this plus icon. Okay, now if we listen to the audio here.
This is a complete course about video scribe whiteboard animation in which I talk straight to the point, so I will not waste your time in unwanted stuff.
You can see the sentence is longer than this caption box, so we'll increase the length of this caption box to this point. Okay, now what I'll do is I'll double click on this caption box and add another text. Okay, I'll just copy this. This is a complete course about video scribe whiteboard animation in which I talk straight to the point, so I will not waste your time in unwanted stuff. So I'll just copy this and then I will just go to Camtasia and paste it here. Okay, now if your text is too long, what you'll do is you'll just click on this make compliant. Okay, and what it will do is it will remove unwanted text. Okay, for now if I see it
this
like
is a complete course about video scribe whiteboard animation,
and what we'll do is we'll
talk
just click on split. Now it will make another caption box for it. You can see like this. Now what I'll do is I will make this box longer like this. Now if we see it here,
this is a complete course about video scribe whiteboard animation in which I talk straight to the point, so I will not waste your time in unwanted stuff.
You can see, and just double click in and click on this plus icon and it will add another caption box for you. Now again you can adjust this box to the point where you want to end your sentence, and then go to your text file and then copy another sentence. Okay, and then paste it in this box, text box. Okay, again it will split some text here.
I will teach you everything you need to know, so you will start out as a beginner and will be a pro video scribe user by the end of it.
Now you can easily add caption to your clip using this caption method. Okay, and if you want to add speech to text, just click on this and add your speech, and then it will be converted into text. But I recommend this method more